kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I've got another amazing, delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some sweet chili baked jerk chicken. Yes, right in the comfort of your kitchen. May I tell you, that one here right here are gonna be super delicious, so flavorful, so mouth-watering. I know that you all are gonna enjoy it. So guys, please kindly do give this video a thumbs up and also do share it to a friend. I thank you all so much for all your love and your support on my channel. I really appreciate it. Now stay tuned to the video. So just before I show you all my ingredients, I just want to read you all a Bible verse, and I pray that you all is blessed by it. So this is the word of the Lord from 2 Thessalonians 3 verse 3. The Lord is faithful, and he will strengthen you and protect you from the evil one. Amen. I pray that you all is blessed by this word. Remember that God loves you so much, and that he have a great plans and purpose for your life. I hope you all is blessed by this word. Until next time. So these are all of my ingredients. Here's my chicken right here, and I'm using leg and thigh. And these are some of my fresh seasoning. Here I have at least 1 stalk of my scallion, just a little bit of my onion that I cut, 1 tablespoon of my fresh thyme, and 3 cloves of garlic that I finely chopped. And these are my sauce. Here I have at least ½ cup of honey and ½ cup of my tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of my dark soy. You can also use browning. And this is my chili seed, and this is at least 2 tablespoons. My wet jerk marinate, 1 tablespoon. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. And these are all of my seasoning. Here I have at least 2 teaspoons of my jerk powder seasoning, 1 tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning, 2 teaspoons of my paprika, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of my onion powder, and also 2 teaspoons of my garlic powder. If you don't have all the seeds that I'm using, you can use any season of your choice. So guys, my chicken is already washed and cleaned in some lemon juice, and this is 5, okay, 5 chicken quarter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a paper towel just to remove, you know, any excess water. Yeah, that's it. Then I'm gonna add oil, just a little oil, and the seasoning. Just gonna mix it all in. Yeah, just add it like so. Just leave back a little bit for the sauce. Then I'm gonna add my wet jerk seasoning. I'm gonna take my hand and just rub all that seasoning on. Make sure that all this chicken is covered in the seasoning. So my chicken is perfectly seasoned. You can always leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes, alright? Yeah. So guys, this is my baking pan right here, and I'm just gonna add just a little oil. Yeah, just brush it with a brush. So once I finish, I'm gonna add the onion, yeah, and all the scallion, fresh thyme. Just add it like that. And the garlic. Just add everything right at the bottom. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my chicken like so. This is gonna be so good. so flavorful and so delicious. Yeah, like that. So in the oven it goes for at least 35 to 40 minutes, alright? And 180 degrees Celsius. You can put your oven on at least 300 degree, okay? I'm not gonna cover it, just leave it uncovered. So while my chicken is in the oven cooking, I'm gonna make my sauce. So here I have my pot on the stove. So what I'm gonna do, this is my seasoning. I am gonna add at least 4 to 5 tablespoons of water to the seasoning with a mix. Just gonna add it to the pot. Yeah, like that. If you have pineapple juice, you can also add pineapple juice or even mango juice or water. You know, if you don't have none of that, just add water. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just add my ketchup. Just gonna mix it. Make sure that everything is all combined. So I'm just adding some more water to loosen it up. I add at least 4 tablespoons. Yes. Then I'm also gonna add the honey. Make sure that everything is all mixed right in. Then I'm gonna add my dark soy. Chili seed. So this is my homemade sweet chili sauce. You can always taste it to your liking. If you need any more honey or ketchup, you can always add. I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of my smoked paprika. Yeah. Just gonna allow it to simmer. So guys, my sauce is all finished. It's become nice and thick and a bit runny because I don't want it to be super thick. Yeah, the sauce is now nice and cool. Yeah, look at that. Perfect. This is the perfect sweet chili sauce. So guys, I just removed my chicken from the oven and this is what it look like. And may I tell you, it look real good, real good. I'm loving the color and there's a lot of liquid at the bottom, as you can all see. What I'm gonna do with this liquid, I am gonna remove it, okay? And you can always make some gravy with it, okay? Yes, so I remove all of the liquid, as you can all see. So now what me I gonna do, I'm just gonna add the sauce like so. Look at that, absolutely delicious. Yeah, just brush on the sauce. So now I'm gonna put it back in my oven for 10 minutes and it is ready, good to. So guys, my sweet chili jerk baked chicken is all finished. I may tell you, it look super delicious. It is cooked to perfection. Look at it. The sauce is stick on the chicken. That's why I put it back, and that's exactly what you want. It looks so good. I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut it. So now that I cut it all up, I plate it up and I just add some scallion on top just for presentation with the sauce on the side. Guys, may I tell you, that one right here, it is super delicious, so tasty, so flavorful. It is a must try. Please, if you try it, comment below and tell me what it's like. Also, do share it to a friend and keep it to yourself. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye and do enjoy. Yum.